Facebook page. Put your hand on the sheet of paper, make a fist and trace lines around it. We are making a beautiful artwork. We are using this lady finger for making colorful flowers. Stamp it on the paper. Your flower is ready and the hand is holding this flower bouquet. How pretty this is. Take this polythene, tie a knot and flip it, blow it, make a balloon and put the paint on the top of it. Simply stamp it on the paper. It's a very easy way of drawing flowers. You can use earbud as well, draw the leaves and stick, and look how pretty this bouquet is looking. Here we are going to take these bottle caps and make flower out of it. Make multiple cut and then spread it. Put the yellow clay at the center, press it. Your flowers are ready. Simply paste it on the sheet of paper, draw sticks and leaves, paste this paper cup and it's done. Here we are going to cut small strips of yellow paper and paste it around the circle. Your flower is ready. Paste a center circle and draw lines on it. Here we are going to cut the shape of the hand and simply put the flower inside it. Make a fist and look, your creative craft is ready. Let's make a beautiful drawing for Teacher's Day. We are drawing the flowers with easy method. Take this straw, make multiple cut and stamp it on the paper. Draw the leaves and stick using sketch pen. We're also using tissue paper for wrapping. Paste a bow, write Happy Teacher's Day and it's done. Let's recycle acrylic and make flowers out of it. So press this clay at the center, put all the flowers, and we are also using paper cup as flower pot. Thank you so much for watching this video.